Here's the review of the Roidmi X20 cordless vacuum cleaner, a product also referred to as the Roidmi NEX Storm. Inside the vacuum's box, we find a soft roller brush, a charger, the wall mount assembly, the product's manual, a motorized upholstery nozzle, the main tube which connects the main unit to the brush roll, the motor body, the motorized lead floor head, a combination crevice tool, an extension hose, 2 mopping pads, the mop assembly, an additional HEPA filter and a cleaning brush. The vacuum is ready to go in under 1 minute. All you need to do is to assemble it by connecting the motor part to the aluminum tube and then to the electric floor nozzle. Make sure you charge it for a couple of hours before the first use. When ready, the leads should look like this. To turn it on, press and hold for 1 second the black button. If you wish to increase the suction, all you need to do is to press the other one. There are 3 levels that can be selected, depending on your cleaning needs. Removing the bin from the unit and accessing the filter is quite easy. Unfortunately, you'll have to do this operation every time you want to empty the dirt container. Switching between brush rolls is also straightforward. All you need to do is to remove a small plastic part that holds the nozzle assembly in place. Once this is done, you have access to the brush roll. Roidmi X20 is equipped with an electric small brush roll that comes in handy for mattresses and upholstery, an extension hose, perfect for car detailing, and a combination tool that can reach all the tight places. Speaking of reaching something, if you connect the crevice tool to the main tube you get a stick that can be used for ceilings and other high places. The mop uses a microfiber cloth and the force of gravity to distribute water uniformly. As they are susceptible to lime scale, the 2 dripping holes have replaceable plastic parts. Thanks to a great swivel mechanism, you can steer this cordless vacuum with just one hand. All the cleaning tests were performed on the lowest suction setting, which I found to be satisfying enough not to bother with the other two more powerful levels. The same setting was used to clean this chair with the small electric brush. The bin is a bit small for the powerhouse Roidmi X20 is, but other than this minor inconvenience, there are almost only positive things to talk about. Make sure you put back the HEPA filter, or you'll get an error and the vacuum won't start. Check out my blog, vacuumsguide.com, for more information on this cordless vacuum, such as how to connect it to your smartphone, or how it compares with rivals such as the V11 from Dyson or the Tineco Pure 1 S12.